In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Square with Shopify. The goal is to connect your Square setup to your Shopify store using an integration app, also sometimes called automation middleware. This is useful because it helps you manage how data moves between the two platforms in a way that is consistent and easier to maintain. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Make sure you are using the correct store account and that you can see the main admin screen with your left sidebar menu. Take a moment to confirm you are in the right place before you click anything, because all the next actions depend on starting from the admin dashboard. Next, click Apps in the left sidebar menu. This is where Shopify shows your installed apps and also provides access to the Shopify App Store. When you select Apps, you should see a page with app-related options and links. And this is the part of the admin interface where you will install the integration tool. Now, select Shopify App Store at the top of the pane. This will open the store listing area where you can search for tools. Look for the search bar because the next step is all about finding the right middleware option for Square integration. If you already know the exact name of an integration app you want, you can use that, but you still need to locate it through the store search. Then search for an automation middleware tool like Square Integration DPL. Use the search field to type Square Integration or a similar phrase and review the results that appear. Choose an option that clearly supports Square integration and works with Shopify. When you find a suitable app in the results, you are ready to install it. Click Install and approve the required account permissions. Shopify will show a permission screen explaining what the app needs access to. Read through it carefully so you understand what data the middleware will be able to use. Approving these permissions is necessary for the app to function correctly. After you approve, the app will be installed within your Shopify admin. After the installation finishes, open the installed integration app inside your Shopify dashboard. You can usually do this by returning to the App section and selecting the app you just installed. This step matters because it takes you from the general app listing into the actual connection setup area, where you will link your Square account. Now click Connect Account or log in when prompted. Some apps will display a button that says Connect Account, while others may immediately prompt you to sign in. Follow the on-screen flow and pay attention to any fields that appear. Your objective here is to trigger a secure connection process that will bridge Square and Shopify through the middleware app. Next, enter your Square account credentials in the Secure window. This is where you provide the login information needed to verify that the app can connect to your Square business. For security reasons, enter your details only in the legitimate prompt that appears within the integration app flow and do not enter information anywhere else. Once the credentials are entered, click Allow to grant the middleware application data access. This authorization step tells Square that it is okay for the middleware to access the necessary data to complete the integration. After you allow access, the connection should be established, and the app will typically confirm that it is connected. At this point, you have completed the integration setup steps required to connect Square with Shopify through an automation middleware app. If the app shows a connected status, you can proceed knowing the basic link is in place, and you can continue with any additional configuration options that the app provides within its own interface. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.